Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video we're going to show you how to change out the LG dryer door strike. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new door strike. The door strike locks into the door catch. The manager should be changing it out, so if it's damaged and the door is not closing properly and the dryer is not running. In order to change this part, we have to open up the dryer door. Now that we have the door open, you can use the Phillips screwdriver to take out the screws to hold the door strike on. Once you have the screws out, you can pull the door strike off the door. Here's the old door strike next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new door strike on, what we have to do is put it on the door. And we can use the Phillips screwdriver to put the screws in. Once you have the screws tightened down, you close the dryer door, plug it back in, take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.